What is going on? It's your boy Skey from Side Hustle Do TV, and today we back on that hustle. Woo! Today we're doing that Doordash. I'm gonna update you guys on all my side hustles and what we're gonna make for the week. Doordash will be for the weekend, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and we're dashing through the snow, man. It's really bad weather. There's snow everywhere, but that's good for dashers. I've already sold my camera for $150. I already have wrote that off on my taxes, received tax credit for it. I used it for many videos, and I sold it to a customer who she's gonna use it for her YouTube video. So very much in the net on that, and she got a good deal as well. So it's a win-win. I sold a set of weights for $150. We're already at $300 in sales, and most of that was very passive. Maybe like an hour of time in total in communication and setting up, blah blah. I also did my first call option on Apple. I bought 2 call options on Apple at roughly the price of $128 and some change. So I sold those already. I profited $165 on that trade, bringing the total to $465, and we have not even started on the weekend yet, man. And the stock market is up. My portfolio is up over $275. Woo! For like an hour worth of work. I'm already at like, I don't even know. We're gonna do the math. We're gonna do the whole channel net worth by the end of this. And man, it just seems like every freaking week, this is week number 3 of me hustling and reinvesting most of my money back into the stock market. And man, like a couple of weeks ago, we were like, man, I'm so grateful. We're about to eclipse 5 grand. We eclipsed it. And then last week, it was like, man, I'm so grateful. We're about to eclipse 6 grand. And we eclipsed it. And this week, I am so grateful. We are about to eclipse 7 grand. I'm not like, that's not how much I'm investing. That's, you know, a lot of that's the own growth. But man, it's like I put $10,000 as my goal to invest this year, and it is freaking February. It's February. I started with $3,000 of my own savings, and I've just been putting more money each week, as much money as I can comfortably spare, living below my means, hustling, and investing the difference. And man, like, I'm gonna have to readjust my goals because I'm gonna smash that goal. So let's get into it, y'all. Y'all, look at this. We're about to break it. I did the math, by the way. All my stuff together, all my passive income, my business is $715. I doubt that I will be able to beat that this weekend. Let's see if we can get it. So close. All right, you guys, just did the first order. It was about $9, and we immediately after got another $7 order. Just completed another order, bringing the total to $30.89, and we just got a double order for $14. Let's go. All right, just completed another order, bringing the total to $50, and we immediately got another $12 order. Just did another order, dropped it off, bringing the total to $69. Nice. All right, y'all, just completed another order, bringing the total to $86.89, and I also have a $1 tip. $1 make me holler. And we just got another $7 order. Let's go. Just dropped off another order, bringing the total to $120.14. All right, you guys. So last night, I didn't record how much I made, but I ended up making about $150 for the night. Yeah, it really slowed down, and I think most of the city was closed, to be honest, because of all the snow. So it wasn't my best night, wasn't my worst. I was hoping to get 200, but you know, we'll just have to make it up on these these next couple of days. So we're getting started. It's a little late, but I had to, I went and got some seeds. And a seed transplanter for plants. More to come on that, on how to be independent. I might be doing a video about that, but yeah, we're gonna have a good sized garden and try to get most of our vegetables from that. Just dropped off another order, bringing the total to $42.60 for Saturday, and we just got another dollar for we just got another order for $7. Just dropped that off, bringing the total to $49.60. All right, just completed another order, bringing the total to $63.10. Just completed another order, bringing the total to $70.54. Let's go. Just dropped that off, bringing the total to $125.18. All right, y'all. It's a new day. I ended up making $140 yesterday. I had to come home early because of some family stuff. But today, just getting started. First order, just dropped it off. $6.50. Just completed another order, bringing the total to $19.50 for today, and we just got another order for $8. Let's just dropped off another order, bringing the total to $27.50 for the day. Let's go. Just dropped off another order, bringing the total to $38. Just dropped off another order. We're at $54 for Sunday. All right, we just completed another order, bringing the total to $69 on a Sunday, and we got another $6. Let's go.